In the serene backwaters of Southeast Asia, a hidden hunter performs an astonishing feat of accuracy. The archerfish, a creature of breathtaking precision, can spot its prey, usually an unsuspecting insect, perched meters above the water. With a sudden, powerful jet of water, it knocks its target into the water, securing its meal. This remarkable skill transcends mere instinct. It's a testament to an intricate design, allowing this fish to overcome one of physics' most fundamental challenges, the distortion of light at the water's surface, a challenge flawlessly navigated by the wisdom bestowed upon it by Allah, SWT. From our human perspective, observing an object above water while submerged presents a distorted view. Light, when traveling from one medium to another, in this case, from air to water, bends. This phenomenon, known as refraction, causes objects to appear displaced from their actual position. What we see is not where the object truly is. For the archerfish, whose very survival depends on pinpoint accuracy, this optical illusion should be an insurmountable obstacle. Yet, it strikes its targets with unfailing success, a clear indication of a divinely gifted ability to see beyond this visual trickery. To fully appreciate the archerfish's genius, we must grasp the concept of refraction. Imagine a ray of light traveling through the air and hitting the water. As it passes into the denser medium of water, its speed changes, causing it to bend. This bending dictates that an insect directly above the fish might appear to be slightly in front of it, or an insect at an angle appears significantly shifted. Without a precise method to compensate for this, any attempt to shoot water would result in a miss. The archerfish, through Allah's perfect design, possesses such a method. When an archerfish looks up at an insect, it doesn't see the insect's true location. Instead, it perceives an image that is distorted and shifted due to refraction. This perceived image is what a human would aim for if they were to simply shoot at what they see. However, the archerfish knows better. It's as if its brain is wired with an internal refraction calculator, instantly processing the discrepancy between the perceived and actual position. This isn't learned behavior in the conventional sense, it's an innate, complex biological algorithm, perfectly installed by its creator, Allah, SWT. The archerfish's hunting strategy is a masterpiece of design. It positions itself just below the water's surface, typically near submerged leaves or branches, providing camouflage. Its large, upward-pointing eyes scan the environment for prey. Once a target is identified, the fish aligns its body, calculates the trajectory, and then, with an explosive contraction of its gill covers, launches a powerful jet of water. This entire sequence, from sighting to shooting, must account for the refractive index of water, demonstrating an intrinsic knowledge of optics that beggars belief, except as an endowment from Allah, SWT. The water jet fired by the archerfish isn't just a random splash, it's a precisely controlled projectile. The velocity, angle, and volume of water are all carefully modulated to ensure maximum impact on the target. Crucially, the fish must account for the trajectory of the water itself, which will arc downwards due to gravity. The combined challenge of aiming through refraction, while also compensating for ballistic physics, is mind-boggling. This is not a learned skill developed over generations by chance, it is a fundamental, pre-programmed capability, an awe-inspiring gift from the all-wise Creator. The remarkable accuracy of the archerfish implies incredibly sophisticated brain processing. It suggests that its brain doesn't just see the refracted image, but instantly computes the inverse refraction to determine the target's true position. This is akin to a complex mathematical calculation performed in a fraction of a second. Imagine trying to hit a target that isn't where it appears to be, while also adjusting for the arc of your projectile. Such a faculty points to an intelligence and design far beyond what we typically attribute to a fish, a clear signature of the meticulous planning by Allah, SWT, in His creation. The archerfish's eyes are another marvel of its design. They are large, forward-facing, and positioned to provide excellent binocular vision both above and below the waterline. This dual-medium vision is critical. While it scans the surface for prey, its eyes are perfectly adapted to gather light information, however distorted, and relay it for processing. The Creator, Allah, SWT, has equipped these fish with ocular structures that are not merely functional but exquisitely optimized for their unique hunting style, allowing them to perceive their world in a way that facilitates their incredible accuracy. The angle at which the archerfish shoots is also critical. If the target is directly overhead, the distortion due to refraction is minimal. However, as the target moves further away horizontally, the angle of incidence for the light rays increases, leading to greater refraction and a more significant apparent displacement. The fish must therefore adjust its aiming point dynamically based on the target's lateral distance and height. This intricate angular compensation capability is not something that could arise from mere randomness, it is a meticulously engineered function, reflecting the unbounded wisdom and power of Allah, SWT. The archerfish's mouth is specially adapted to function as a precision water cannon. A groove runs along the roof of its mouth, forming a barrel when the tongue is pressed against it. This unique anatomical feature allows the fish to channel a stream of water with remarkable force and accuracy. The rapid expulsion of water is achieved by suddenly closing its gill covers, creating a powerful hydrostatic pressure. This custom-built oral structure, perfectly suited for its hunting method, is another compelling evidence of thoughtful and deliberate creation by Allah, SWT. While the archerfish possesses an innate ability to calculate refraction, studies suggest it also demonstrates a degree of adaptability. If its initial shot misses, it might adjust its aim for subsequent shots, especially when hunting particularly elusive or distant prey. This fine-tuning capability indicates not just a fixed program, but a dynamic system that can learn from feedback, optimizing its performance in real time. Such a sophisticated blend of innate programming and adaptive refinement speaks volumes about the detailed and comprehensive planning imbued into living things by their creator, Allah, SWT. The archerfish's water jet is surprisingly powerful and has an impressive range. A typical shot can travel up to several meters in the air, allowing the fish to target insects perched on overhanging branches well above the water. The force of impact is sufficient to dislodge even relatively large insects. This incredible power, combined with pinpoint accuracy, makes the archerfish an apex predator in its niche. The optimal combination of hydraulic power and aiming precision points to a perfect balance achieved through the design of Allah, SWT, tailored for the fish's survival. The archerfish's entire hunting apparatus represents a delicate balance of interconnected systems. From its specialized eyes, to its unique mouth structure, to its advanced brain, each component works in perfect synchronicity. Disrupt even one part of this system, perhaps dull its vision or alter its mouth's groove, and its remarkable accuracy would vanish. This intricate interdependence speaks powerfully to a master orchestrator. Such harmonious design, where every element contributes perfectly to a complex function, is a hallmark of the creation of Allah, SWT, who balances all things with precision. In observing the archerfish, we are not merely witnessing a biological curiosity, we are encountering a profound sign. The capacity to account for complex optical physics, to perform real-time ballistic calculations, and to execute a precision strike through two different media, without formal training or conscious understanding of these principles, is a clear signature of a higher intelligence. This fish is a living testament to the boundless knowledge and wisdom of Allah, SWT, who granted it this extraordinary ability, embedding these complex algorithms directly into its being. Every successful shot is a whisper of divine power. The archerfish's precision goes far beyond simple instinct. While many animals possess innate behaviors, the level of sophisticated optical and ballistic calculation required for the archerfish's hunting technique borders on what we might consider problem-solving even in higher organisms. Yet, this fish effortlessly performs these calculations, day in and day out. This inherent capability, present from the moment of its existence, is a direct endowment, a pre-programmed wisdom given by Allah, SWT, demonstrating that even the smallest creatures can carry profound evidence of His magnificent creative power and meticulous attention to detail. The archerfish offers us invaluable lessons. It teaches us about the astonishing complexity and precision embedded within the natural world. It challenges us to look beyond the surface, not just of the water, but of our understanding of how living things acquire their abilities. The seamless integration of physics, biology, and behavior in this fish is a powerful argument against mere chance and a compelling case for deliberate creation. Every time an archerfish hits its mark, it echoes the name of its creator, Allah, SWT, reminding us of his infinite knowledge and the perfection of his design. In conclusion, the archerfish's unwavering ability to strike targets above the water, defying the laws of optical distortion, is nothing short of miraculous. It stands as a vibrant, living example of Allah's, SWT, perfect design and boundless wisdom. From its specialized eyes and unique mouth to its refraction-calculating brain, every aspect of this creature is meticulously fashioned for its extraordinary task. This incredible fish, with its precision hunting, serves as a humble yet profound testament to the power and artistry of the creator of all things, Allah, SWT.